Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into one of the coolest problems in computer science, the knapsack problem. And guess what? We're going to visualize it in 3D. So what's the knapsack problem? Picture this. You're going on a treasure hunt and you have a backpack with a weight limit. You've got a bunch of items, each with its own weight and value. The challenge? Pick the most valuable items without exceeding the weight limit. Alright, let's break it down. Think of your items as 3D objects, each with a unique shape, size, and value. Our goal is to fit these objects into our 3D knapsack in the most efficient way. Imagine you've got this super cool 3D grid. Each item you choose to pack occupies a certain amount of space in this grid. Now visualize stacking these items, trying to maximize the value while keeping within the weight limit. Here's a quick example. Let's say we have a golden crown, a silver goblet, and a bronze shield. The crown is super valuable, but heavy. The goblet is light, but not as valuable, and the shield is somewhere in between. How do you decide what to pack? This is where dynamic programming comes in. It's like having a super smart assistant that helps you test different combinations, finding the most valuable selection within your constraints. By visualizing this in 3D, you can see how each item fits together, making it easier to understand which combinations work best. It's not just about numbers, it's about seeing the problem from a whole new perspective. So next time you face a complex problem, try visualizing it in 3D. Might just make things click. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Catch you later.